January 12th, 2021 vocabulary. Directions. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not a unit price. All right, so remember, unit price means we are going to have a 1 in the denominator. So let's take a look at this first one. $5.50. Woo. Oh, $5.50. Remember, money on top. That's per bag of candy, so that's for 1 bag of candy. Let's take a look down here. $1.99 per bag of chips, so that's 1 bag of chips. $4.20. That's for every liter, so that's for 1 liter. $2.25. That's for every 3 cones. And then 50 cents, $0.50. For every pop, so that's for 1 can of pop. So which of these is not going to have a 1 in our denominator? We have 1 bag, 1 liter, 3 cans, 1 pop. 3 cans. So we are going to drag our red X over this one. Oh man, I didn't want that. Let's see. I wanted this one. Yeah. There we go. Whoa, that's a little too much. We're going to drag that red X over this one over here because that is not a unit price. And that's going to be it for our vocab. Great job.